Welcome back to Healthy Tips Tuesday. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your weight loss journey or someone who wants to take it to the next level, I've got you covered. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video. And now, let's jump right in. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa. If you are new here, I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. About 5 years ago, I started researching sustainable weight loss, and now I love sharing everything that's worked for me with you. In today's video, we're going to go over 10 foods that help burn fat. These are the foods that I researched, and they really get your metabolism revved, and they just start to work inside of your body chemically to burn that fat off. So let's go check them out. On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week. So let's get right into it. Let's dive into the top 10 fat burning foods and uncover their metabolism boosting powers. Number one on the list is avocado. Avocados are rich in monosaturated fats. They help reduce bad cholesterol and promote satiety. The fiber and healthy fats keep you feeling full longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. Number two on the list is green tea. Green tea, in my opinion, is a fat burning machine. If you can start incorporating green tea in your daily routine, you are going to see rapid results. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins, which boost metabolism and enhance fat oxidation. Number three is eggs. Eggs are packed with high quality protein and healthy fats. Eggs increase satiety and help you eat fewer calories. They also have a thermic effect, meaning they require more energy to digest, keeping that full feeling longer. I love that number four made it to the list, and it's berries. When I have a sweet tooth, I go for berries. They are low in calories and high in fiber. Berries help you feel full and satisfied. Their natural sweetness can curb sugar cravings, and they are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Number five, we have Greek yogurt. I never really understood what was the difference between Greek yogurt and regular yogurt and why it mattered, but it does matter. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which is great for your gut health. And you'll hear me say over and over again in my videos, taking care of your gut health is so important for maintained, sustained, long-term weight loss. It also aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. The protein content also promotes muscle repair and growth, which can increase your metabolic rate. Number six on the list is chili peppers. Chili peppers are definitely a fat burning machine, but be careful, they are so spicy. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which increases metabolism and promotes fat oxidation. Capsaicin also has an appetite suppressing property, helping you consume fewer calories throughout the day. This one I will lightly sprinkle into spaghetti sauces or into my salads, but a little bit goes a long way and it does the work for you chemically inside of your gut. Number seven is salmon. I have grown to just love salmon. It's rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation. So after I eat, I don't have that bloated feeling. It also promotes fat burning. The high protein content helps maintain muscle mass and promotes satiety. Number eight on the list, I absolutely love. It's mixed nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They can boost metabolism and they reduce hunger. I love having them like mid afternoon. Portion control is key due to their calorie density, so just be mindful of the serving size. Number nine, we have leafy greens. I enjoy leafy greens daily, like spinach and kale or arugula. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you to feel full. They're also rich in vitamins and antioxidants, supporting my overall health and boosting my metabolism. And number 10, we have apple cider vinegar. If you want to talk about seeing rapid results with weight loss, get apple cider vinegar into your body every day. I like to drizzle it over my salads. It can help control blood sugar levels and suppress appetite. It may also promote a feeling of fullness, leading to reduced calories throughout the rest of the day. What I notice is that it just really takes away that inflammation and bloating feeling, which is so important. So there you have it, my top 10 fat burning foods. If you watched my other videos, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this list or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. I've even gone as far as to print this up and put it up on my weight loss vision board. It's so important that you have it to reference so that you can go to the store and start incorporating these foods into your daily meal plan. And remember, believe in yourself and stay motivated. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Every day is a new beginning. So if you feel like you failed one day, you didn't. Just from right where you are, start over, reassess, and get back on track. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please take just a moment to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. I hope this video motivates you to start eating these top 10 fat-burning foods each day. And please comment down below if you plan to try it. Let me know where you're at on your weight loss journey. I would love to hear from you. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency is key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals. They're all linked in the description box down below. You can check out all my weight loss videos at Healthy Days. In the meantime, live healthy, live happy, live on purpose. See you next time.